This evening, an emergency hearing wrapped up in Fulton County where plaintiffs tried to stop Georgia's new abortion law that bans abortions typically after 6 weeks. The judge in the case says that he will issue an order soon, but not today, not tonight. The plaintiffs tell 11 Alive's Joe Hankey they were hopeful the judge would put a temporary hold on the law because they believe every day more women are harmed by the law.
Well, Jeff, today's hearing was for a lawsuit filed late last month after Georgia's abortion law took effect. The hearing focused on two items. First, should the law be voided because of when it was signed into law? Second, does the judge have the power to block the law temporarily as legal questions around this case are answered?
I understand that this is something that needs immediate attention, and I will give it that.
Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney, though, says he does need a bit of time before ruling. One of the arguments he heard centers on Governor Brian Kemp signing the Life Act into law in 2019. At the time, the Supreme Court still viewed abortion as a constitutional right. The timing is important to the plaintiffs, which is made up of the ACLU, doctors, and abortion rights groups. They argued state laws cannot take effect and are voided if they go against federal law when passed. But lawmakers can always pass a new law as federal precedent changes.
They are free to reenact the 6-week ban, and Roe and Casey will not stand in their way. But under binding Georgia Supreme Court precedent, right now, the 6-week ban is void.
Georgia's Solicitor General disagrees the 2019 law should not be voided.
The Georgia legislature can absolutely pass a statute and say, that's not what the federal Constitution means, and we'll litigate it. And at the end of the day, if this gets up to the Supreme Court or the 11th Circuit or wherever, and you tell it, and you rule, okay, we'll abide by your judgment.
The Solicitor General also argued as this lawsuit plays out, a judge cannot issue an order stopping the law from being enforced.
Time is of the essence.
But the plaintiffs believe the judge can pause the law, and they hope he will in the coming days.
The 6-week abortion ban means they don't even necessarily know they're pregnant before they cannot even get their abortion. And it means they either have to forcibly remain pregnant, or they have to figure out a way to get out of state, to go to some state that provides more access.
And the plaintiffs also argue the abortion law violates state law and a Georgian's right to privacy.